Hello everyone, we have a few updates for you. So over the past couple of weeks, we have been processing admission and we've admitted quite a number of people for GRC cohort 3 starting June 27th, which is supposed to be this week. Over the past couple of weeks, we received some appeal emails and some WhatsApp messages appealing for an extension for payment due to either salary week or one thing or the other. So what have we done? We decided to move the program to start on the 11th, giving everybody who we have admitted so far the window to pay between this week and on the 10th of July. We'll be sending out an official email to everyone who have admitted so far who have not been able to make their $50 commitment, and after that we would then proceed to also process those who can meet up with this timeline. Now we understand that this would affect the curriculum and the calendar, therefore we are going to readjust timeline and also communicate this on or before the 10th of July, which is the day before the commencement of the official program. Now, another major update that also pushed the commencement dates to the 11th is that we have been working on rebranding and changing the identity of Inegben Academy. So for the past couple of months and years, as it were, we have done amazing things in the GRC space, and we feel we should move and evolve into that identity. Previously, we had planned that once cohort 3 resumes, as they are taking their program, we will change the identity and the website relocation and everything. But we thought it wise to not disrupt your learning as it would be in your initial process of learning. So what are we doing? Development has been fast, things have been moving fast. Before the 7th of July, we are going to change the entire look of the website, and we are moving the domain to a new address. It will no longer be inegben.xyz. We would unveil the new identity by 5th or 7th of July so that we can all get familiar with the new identity. These are the reasons why we are moving the resumption dates to 11th of July, and also we are going to communicate to all the students who we have admitted so far who were able to make the commitment earlier to also have this opportunity to come into the academy. If you have not applied yet, this is also an extra window for you to, or an opportunity window for you to apply into the academy and get started in the GRC space.